Welcome back, guys. So, owner of Healing Virtue Day Spa, Alison Reed, is on a mission to make beauty and self-care accessible for everyone, especially seniors. With her at-home beauty services, she's bringing pampering and wellness right to their doorsteps. Hi, Alison. Welcome to Weekend Smile.
Hi, my name is Alison Reed, and I'm the owner of Healing Virtue Day Spa.
Yes, thank you for introducing us to you, Alison. Tell me a little bit about Healing Virtue Day Spa.
So Healing Virtue Day Spa is a spa on wheels where I go to the elderly's home and I bring the spa to them.
Okay.
As in, I set up the whole thing and bring it to them, let them feel nice and comfortable.
Why did you decide to start this business?
Okay, the reason why I started so my passion was to become a podiatrist.
Okay.
But because of my background and certain things, I did not get that opportunity. So I went to do nails and have a passion for the toes. The toe of my
feet.
Me, yeah, man, bad, choo. So,
okay.
Yeah. So, me really love the foot. No matter how it stay ingrown nails, no matter how it crusty, that is my thing.
Boy, thank God me got to my foot yesterday because Alison stopped stare upon my foot.
No.
No, thank God, Alison. So let me see what one.
So,
okay.
Yes, so because of that, and as I said, I had an issue. And the issue that I had, I could not read.
Okay.
I could not read. So at the age of 39, right, I seek out some advice how to become a foot care assistant. And so a nurse friend of mine tell me about the blue uniform, people wear the blue uniform, but you have to be a nurse. But remember, I have a challenge that I cannot read. Right?
Yes.
So I went to Jamal first.
Okay.
And after leaving from Jamal, I enrolled myself. I went to Heart. And because I don't have no subject, I still don't have any subject. Right?
Yeah.
But I went to Heart and they gave me some tests and I did the test. However, when I passed the test, it was full. So they had to send me to a different school, which was Distinction College. And I went to Distinction College, the person who cannot read properly, and I was the valedictorian.
Oh my God.
And so I just continue to just pursue, the Lord has dropped it in my spirit, because when I even go to the doctors and I see, the elderlies, because you don't have a lot of podiatrists in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And so that goes out. I say, so I could do this and bring that service to them, just, and so that is me. That is how Healing Virtue.
You have such an inspiring story, Alison. It must have taken a lot out of you to, push on through, knowing that you could not read and just take it upon yourself to go and try and get this new career going. You really must have. You're actually going to be doing a demonstration today.
Yes.
So while we talk, you can actually start your demo.
Okay.
So when you say that you set up the mini spa in their homes, tell us a little bit more about that. What you set up? How you set up? Yeah.
All right. So I have all my things are portable. I have a portable. So this is a portable table.
Man, Alison.
Okay.
Come on, yes.
Yes. So this is a portable table, and I have my portable massage table. And so I bring everything. So when I go, I have all backdrop and everything.
Backdrop to what?
Backdrop, no. For my seniors, them, for make the people them feel nice.
That's so good.
They're at a spa, the whole shebang.
No,
yeah.
Honestly, because oftentimes the elderly seem to be a little bit neglected, especially when it comes to these services. But through your passion, you have managed to, tapped in to, a niche that is really, really necessary. And dedicating this service to them specifically. And I see where you're getting emotional, Alison. Tell me, why are you getting so emotional? Are you getting teary-eyed while you're talking to me about this? So tell me, why is it touching you so much?
The journey. The journey, because remember I tell you, I would have loved to become a foot doctor, and if I get the opportunity, I would have do it still.
And if you get the opportunity today, you'd still do it?
Yeah, I'll still become a podiatrist.
Yes.
And so what I could do, because of my setbacks, I had to resort to this.
Right, and you still get to take care of people's feet, make it look even better.
Yeah.
And, while give them good service at that. So tell me now, why did you actually, decide to say, okay, the seniors, I want to give them everything as it relates to healing and wellness and that whole spa feel in the space of their homes, you know?
I believe I have healing hands. And I believe in my personality. And you know, as we have our loved one and sometimes they're not with us, and a lot of time we just neglect them.
Yeah.
So me coming into your space and just put a smile on their face, pamper them, make them feel nice before.
Yeah.
You know, the before I go come.
World of a difference.
Yeah.
No, it's so interesting that you mentioned that, because a lot of the times, even older folks, they tend to not want to even leave their homes. You know, I know my grandma, for example, love her dearly. Sometimes to get her out of the house without she going to the supermarket or, you know, one of those regular places, it's probably not happening, right? So if I say, Grandma, I'm going to take you to this spot, she goes, say, no, man, better you treat yourself.
Yeah.
So I see where, you know, it is actually, you know, very important to give them that opportunity to just relax, especially where they are now in their lives, right?
Yes.
Some persons are retired as well. So tell me what you're doing now, because you have a demo going on here.
So basically what I'm doing, some of the times for the seniors, sometimes you do a wet pedi or a dry pedi. Okay. And after I've done that, sometimes I like to just give them just a little relaxing massage on the foot bottom, because as you know, the foot bottom is actually your brain. Oh, wow. To the whole body, and different part on it, you touch it releases certain things. So it relaxes them while, you know, just massaging it.
What would you say has been the most rewarding moment you've had while caring for a client through Healing Virtue Day Spa?
Just to smile, just to look on their face. And as I tell you, a lot of people cannot afford. When you have an ingrown in your toenail, you know it is really hard to come out, and it's painful. And so a lot of time with the elderly, when you neglect them, you know, the toenail grow over or go in the skin. Yeah. So just taking out that and them get a relief is a blessing to me and a plus.
Definitely. What's the biggest piece of advice you'd give to anyone right now who, or any adult who might feel like it's too late for them to go back to school?
No shame. No shame.
Yeah.
Don't shame.
It's never too late.
No, run out.
Yeah.
Run out, do your best. No make nobody, listen, let me tell you something. Don't make nobody make you feel like you cannot. Don't watch people. When I was going to school, if I did watch those people, I wouldn't be where I'm at. Yeah. And a lot of time people don't know, you know. Yeah. A lot of time people don't know, but they don't want to say. And what I used to do, I said, Miss, what you mean by that? Whatever. And I ask question.
Right, when you don't understand.
When I don't understand art. When you have school challenge quiz and the children, them bright, and you give them spelling. Spelling bee. And them that say, can you tell me, they say a word, and them say, what's the meaning? What's the verb?
Right.
The same thing.
Same thing. I love that analogy. I mean, where do you hope to see your business in the next 5 years, Alison?
Blooming. Yes. Blooming.
Thriving, doing great things.
Yeah. And give other people work and opportunity, and let them know if I can do it, you can.
Okay.
You can.
Definitely. How can persons contact you before we go quickly?
So I'm on Instagram. It is Healing Virtue. Lord Jesus, Miss. Michelle.
Healing Virtue Day Spa. I have it right there on screen to help you.
Yes.
Healing Virtue Day Spa. Look here, Alice, you better try remember your things a bit.
No, remember, but look.
Yeah, don't worry yourself, man. So we got you. Instagram at Healing Virtue Day Spa. I hope you remember your number. You know. What is your number, Alice?
My number is 420-5665.
Okay.
You can reach me at that number.
And we can make an appointment for just about anything. So if it is we want a hand shawl, a foot shawl, a little rub down, you know, anything, especially for the elderly, you can get it done.
And if you have, like, say, for instance, you want to give back to the seniors, I can be that person to come. If them have church, you know, sometimes them have different stuff, and them want, you know, I'm that person. You can reach out to me. All
right, Alison, it was great speaking to you. All the very best on your business venture, and continue to touch lives, all right?
Thank you so much for having me.
Welcome. Owner of Healing Virtue Day Spa, Alison Reed. It's time for a break. We'll soon come.